So in this greenhouse over here, we have freshwater, right? Freshwater, crawfish. No. Which, this is a new thing that we started this year for the first years. So this is the first year we've grown crawfish. They're getting pretty big. They're still kind of tiny though.
They're still very tiny. Yeah, very small.
And then over here, this is the first year's tank. What are they growing?
Koi. Striped bass.
Striped bass?
There's koi in the back of there. Striped bass and koi.
They're growing striped bass and koi. They also, with their system, they have set up is a breeder. For lack of a better term, on the table.
Right now they have tomatoes mostly. There's ferns everywhere. I think I see some broccoli over there. There's some cabbage and lettuce. Green leaf lettuce over there. There's some jalapenos and peppers. And the very last thing there's huge koi. Yeah. But mostly what we have is a recirculating system, so all of the waste from the fish gets siphoned out into a trough, which then gets filtered out, and the water gets cleaned by bacteria that we have growing in some little plastic feed things. But the water from the fish gets sucked into the plant trough, and the plants will take all of the nutrients and filter it out and fill it with fresh oxygen back into the fish water. So it's a whole big recirculating process. It feels like a spider. We actually just released ladybugs in here in our greenhouses a few days ago, so you can see those around sometimes.
They're pretty tiny.
Yeah. Ladybugs get rid of any dust that could be in here. What else do they do? Well, if they fall into the tank, they become fish food. Huge! Oh my god! Some of these. Oh.
This is not a koi.
That's not a koi. That's
Ella, what are you? Ella. Oh.
I got another one.
That one was really big though.
I can try to get him. We have fish that aren't koi in here.
What do you think those are?
Ow, he's hard.
Yeah.
That would. I can get another one. You're gonna have to hold him tight.
Yeah, it's spiky.
I'll grab another one. I'm not entirely sure.
So in this tank right here, we have koi, which are about a year and a half, or about a year old at this point. Which they're really big.
Well,
they don't like being held as much. They like being in there free. This one, I don't remember what this is.
Baby.
I don't remember what this is.
I don't either. But he's gorgeous.
But they're really big. They've been in here for about a year and a half. We feed them daily as well.
Yeah. What you see here is called an NFT, or a nutrient film technique. So we will start aquatic plants growing at the surface of the water on like a foam sheet, which will keep them afloat. And like the pond, a problem is the fish will eat the roots. So we'll keep them in little sponges or little foam organic growing pods, and then we'll transfer them to where they can grow and take root.
In this class, I'm sure if y'all have noticed, you will get dirty, you will get wet. That just comes with being a part of it, but it's a great class. You learn a lot about fish and all the things they do. It's also a great skill to learn how to preserve the environment, and if possible, well, at the end of the year, we will be releasing these fish to repopulate, or not the koi, but like the red drum and speckled trout and striped bass. We'll be releasing them back into the wild to repopulate the shrinking populations.
Yeah. And you also learn good gardening techniques, because we grow a lot of different varieties of plants.
So we'll take these guys are going to the shed. What is he second fishing? There's koi, there's brim, and there's striped bass.
So there's brim.
Yeah, there's brim and perch.